There's a fountain in the middle, and there are two kiosk fountains in it. The only thing which is missing, I can say, are the lines around the main one, the main fountain. So, as it says, built by lady.
This is the Madras school here, I believe. There's a lot of tourists here, so. There's the entrance back there, everybody's going out. Got the fountain in here. And we're inside another room here. All wooden ceiling up there. This is all handmade. They start out like this, and then they go in here. Look at that. Look at the detail on that there. Right in here. All of this down in here. All handcrafted, hand chipped out from a solid block here. Beautiful. Now we're back on the outside portion. All handcrafted, nothing by machine in this whole place. Every square inch something is done, either tiles or hand chipped away, and everything up here, everything is covered in something here. Handmade. A lot of work. Must take a lot of artisans up here. Same thing up on the top. And you come in here, and they got even wood here also on the arches here, but even on the ceiling, I mean, everything is done. Now you had a few bare columns here, but they're very, very smooth, very smooth, like almost like marble. So yeah, there it is there.
They want to have a certain wishes. They just put coins here and to ask for blessing and wishes. So who knows? Maybe it can be realized. So the ones who are interested to have some wishes, just do it.
It's beautiful in there.
It's where the Portuguese were. There's a certain area.
That's our lemon chicken. There's steam coming off. I don't think you can see it there. Yeah, lemon chicken. And we got 1, 2, 3, 5 pieces of chicken and 4